welcome to Kota Kinabalu International Airport. Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off and the aircraft has come to a complete stop. You are reminded to check around your seat for any personal belongings and please use caution whenever opening the overhead compartment. You are now allowed to use your portable electronic devices with cellular network. However, it cannot be used when you are in the open parking bay area for safety reasons. It has been a pleasure having you on board, and on behalf of Captain Zul Aziz and Abdullah and the rest of the crew, we thank you for flying with Firefly and co-chair with Malaysia Airlines. Have a nice day. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, selamat datang ke lapangan terbang antarabangsa Kota Kinabalu. Sila berada di tempat duduk anda sehingga isyarat pasangkan tali federal dipadamkan dan pesawat berhenti sepenuhnya. Anda diminta berhati-hati ketika membuka ruang penyimpanan di atas dan pastikan tiada barang yang tertinggal. Anda dibenarkan menggunakan peralatan elektronik mudah alih dengan perkhidmatan seluler anda sekarang, walau bagaimanapun ia tidak boleh digunakan apabila anda